Now from the top.
Hello there again. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's your girl Tracy, and I'm here again with another video. So what I wanted to do was show you how I use my stencils that are available on my website, and I stencil on my polymer clay for my earrings that I make and sell on my Etsy shop. All the links will be in the description down below. So let's get into this. So what I do, I have already rolled out my clay that I'm using, and I roll this out on my pasta machine, and at number 3 I interchange between 2 and 3. And by the way, guys, if you hear my kid in the background, she's there watching a video and singing and stuff like that on the floor behind me while I'm working, so you hear her and hear her videos. I hope it's not too distracting. However, so I rolled out this on a number 3 on my pasta machine. I normally interchange between 2 and 3 depending on what I am doing and how I feel, what I'm creating, and then I also put a back on it. So this is the top to do my design on, basically my canvas. I'm using today one of my the plasma design stencil that's available on my website. You can check it out, you can order it. They come in a set of 3, so this comes with another 2 on the website. Check it out, guys, link down below. So what I'm gonna do is, it's on my tile. I like to use a tile surface. So if you guys want me to tell you guys more about surfaces I use, stuff I use, leave a comment. I'll make a video for you. Ask questions, I'm happy to make a video for you. So now I have an idea to what you will need is your stencil, your clay, your blade, your rolling pin, your cutters. I have many different shapes. Also, my cutters these cutters are also available on my website. I make these too, guys. So you know, I do have my 3D printing business and my earring business, so I do the cutters. So all these cutters were done by me. They are lightweight, easy to use, solid and easy to use. They're durable. You guys can check these out. They're available on my website. So yes, I'll be choosing from these to make my earrings. But let's get into the stenciling. So I'm going to apply pressure. What you do is use your roller. I'm using my roller, my acrylic roller. I love this thing. And just light pressure, because these things can become cutters. So I'm going to go this way, and I'm going to evenly press, and I'm also going to go this way, and it's going to be evenly pressed. I see you guys on Instagram really love my earrings and my stamps. So I'm looking forward to you guys ordering and showing me your craft. Yes. So I'm hoping that I applied enough pressure and not too much pressure. I just lift one side, it easily comes up, and voila. So this had clean your stencils, guys. I didn't clean this. I was doing something really quick, so I didn't clean it, so it has a little bit of mess on here. But now you see those things. See all the, hopefully you can see all these, the design. I love it. It's really nice. What I will do now is, sometimes they come out high and fat, and I don't want it to be like that. I will take it, or I will just put the rolling pin like this and let it run over it. A little bit of pressure, so it's down flat. So you want to get it flat, or you can keep it high if you want, but I keep it flat. I just want the design like that. And there we go. So they're all there. So what I will do now is I will get my little tool here. Where is it? Hold on. I had it right here. Hold on, give me a minute. I'm losing tools. I have so much things around, guys. So what I'm looking for is my little dotting tool that I use. I have so many, but I like the one I had just now. Am I the only one who misplaces stuff all the time? all the time. I just had it and now it disappeared. But anyways, I have these. These are a little bit too big. Oh, here we go. Here it is. So this one. So I'm using my dotting tool with these two ends. It's perfect size. I have all sizes, but I want this. And I'm using paint, acrylic paint, guys, white. You can use any acrylic paint. I'm using this one, and I literally got this from the dollar store. And these are perfect. So yeah. So you're gonna wanna dip and just color. If you like coloring, this is good for you. This will be great for you. So you just follow along, paint basically, and that's basically what you're gonna do. So you're going to apply your paint with your dotting tool. Don't apply too much pressure with your dotting tool. I might change this paint that this acrylic paint that I'm using to another one. Hold on. To just get, this one is light, very light, so I might just use, and you don't need that much, but yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna see this one, if it give me the thickness that I want, and it does. See the difference, guys, with this one and this one? So that's all you do. You go through and you just paint. That's exactly what I want. Paint these circles. And I will continue to do this. I'm going to speed it up for you guys because this is the boring part. It's not really boring for me. It's kind of relaxing. So if you like to paint, then this is going to be a breeze for you and easy. So this is one way you could do it. It's really quick. It doesn't take that long unless your slab is like huge. Then it takes you a little while. But this is a very easy way to do this. And I want it to be white. So my color with this pink, and for the smaller circles you have this side. So like for this small circle I will just use a smaller dot inside, and yeah, taps. You don't need a lot. This one is the first one, so you see the paint is so different. So try different alcoholic paints. Some of them, not all of them is made the same. But yeah, so I'm gonna just continue to do this until I'm finished, and you'll see me on the other side of this being finished. So yeah, guys, so on the other side of this, you know, I have fast forward and have finished my coloring with my dotting tool, and this is the outcome. So this stencil, you follow, it was quite quick and easy. This is a small slab though, and I'm doing bigger slab. It takes a little while longer, but it's really easy and no problem. You know, you will learn your own techniques when you're doing circles. You know, you go around the edges and you color. I could show you all of that. Leave a comment, let me see what you want to know. So when they're light or too light, you know, I just go back over them with a light technique. So you got to do those, one around the edge, two around the edge, and then in the middle, and then bam. That's it. Let me do another. So my techniques for circles is when I'm using my dotting tool is around in a circle, get most of it like that, and then in the middle like so, right there, like that right there. So yeah, so look how pretty that is. And it's just acrylic paint and my clay right here. So what I'm gonna do now is I am going to move these things out the way, and I'm going to get my parchment paper, you know, I bake on these, my baking sheet, and I'm gonna use the back of my blade because I don't want to cut my clay, and I'm gonna just take it up without ripping it. So be careful here, or without touching the paint as well. This is why I keep the edge of this so I have something to hold. I'm holding this awkward at the moment because the camera is in the way, but yeah, I want you guys to see. So I just lift it up like that. Lift it up and place it on here just to be able to move it to dry. And I'm gonna just leave this for literally a couple minutes, and we'll be back again on the other side of it being dry. I just want the paint to dry where it's not wet for when I'm rolling it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do next. That is so cute. Look at those spots. Look at that is gorgeous. Okay, it's gonna make some nice earrings. Yay! So I'm gonna let this dry, and we'll meet at the end of this being dry.